For the first paint bomb cup, I glued the 3-ounce cup to the center of the bigger cup. This allows you to layer the paints in the small cup and then fill the sides and the whole cup with the solid color. I didn't let the background develop before I poured the ribbons over top, but I noticed it gave me a lot of lacing in the background. So if I would have let it develop more, it probably would have come through a lot. For the second paint bomb cup, I glued the 3-ounce cup to the side of the bigger cup. You're filling and layering the smaller cup and then filling the outside cup with its solid color. Again. And here's the last cup. This is the Paint Bomb 3 cup, where I just glued a stick to the 3-ounce cup so I can lower the cup that's got the layered paints in it into the solid color paint.